Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Every minute a senior engineer spends writing a work order is a minute they're not solving the problem that actually needs their brain. That's not just wasted time. That's wasted expertise. And on a 30-megawatt site that waste compounds into thousands of hours per year. Studies across utility-scale operations and maintenance teams show senior engineers spend 25 to 30% of their week on administrative tasks. Work orders, CMMS entries, safety documentation, and parts requests add up to about 10 to 12 hours per week per engineer. 12 hours a week times 52 weeks equals 624 hours per year per engineer. At a €45,000 salary, that's €28,000 per engineer per year spent on paperwork. Across 8 engineers, that becomes €224,000 a year on paperwork alone. Good work orders require location details, safety context, fault description, materials needed, severity rating, and CMMS entry. On a busy site, engineers write dozens of these a week, and the paperwork burden is chronic. 15 minutes per work order. A dozen work orders per week equals 3 hours per week just typing and entering data. Now multiply that across 15 sites with 8 engineers each and 12 work orders per week. That equals 1,440 work orders weekly, 216 hours per week, or 9 full-time equivalents creating work orders. 9 people just typing work orders is not a team issue, it's a system issue. When a ClearSpot agent detects a fault, it doesn't just flag it, it acts. It pulls the location from the flight map, attaches thermal or IV evidence, assigns severity based on revenue impact, suggests repair category, and pushes a structured work order into your CMMS. 8 seconds from fault detection to complete work order in your CMS. A complete work order appears with details like string 23, inverter 4, block B, thermal image, PID-related power drop, 14% revenue impact, high severity, and parts required. Engineers receive a notification, review the pre-built work order, add nuance, and approve for dispatch. They don't start from blank. They review a complete work order and add context that matters, like safety notes and owner preferences. 30 seconds per work order instead of 15 minutes saves 14.5 minutes each time. Across 1,440 weekly work orders, that returns 348 hours back per week. That equals 8.7 full-time equivalents freed up for higher value work. Those 8.7 FTEs don't need to be fired. They need to be redeployed to problem-solving and proactive maintenance. Across 1,440 weekly work orders, that returns 348 hours back per week. But there's another benefit: speed. When work orders are created in 8 seconds instead of 15 minutes, the time from detection to dispatch shrinks dramatically. 2 hours, 45 minutes down to 45 minutes. That's a 67% reduction in time to dispatch. Across a fleet, that's hundreds of hours of generation recovered monthly. This isn't a new system you need to adopt. ClearSpot integrates with your existing CMMS, SAP PM, IBM Maximo, Oracle EAM, ServiceNow. The work order lands in your existing workflow, your existing queue, your existing approval chain. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.